Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Happy Monday to you all. Hope you had a great weekend. You've been hearing a lot recently about the S&P hitting all-time highs, and just as a reminder, that is talking about the regular S&P, not the futures S&P. So we are looking at futures, and you can see we're getting close, but not quite there yet. We have from December, which was the all-time high. So like we're getting there, but not in any quick way. We only have about 31 points out of an average of 72 on the day. Now, granted, there's still an hour left till the stock market closes, so who knows? Anything could happen. But we are working our way slowly but surely up there. That being said, we did take those out on the NASDAQ futures. This is the daily time frame. Again, this was the all-time high back here. You can see that the high of today was 22,915. So we did take that out. We did pull back from that high, but looking pretty solid. I will say though, it was kind of a mess to get to that. Super tiny range on this one too, only 163 out of 321. And let's just look. This is a 2-minute time frame of the same thing. Now, if it could always like do something like this, like actually go in one clear direction, all these green candles, that's beautiful. But as you can see very clearly, we did not have that much of that today. So if we scoot back to the open, that is here, just this big red candle down. So then the open range breakout was from here on down. I did take that short. I was able to make some profit. Cool. Ended up then completely losing it. I should have just stopped there. That would have been much better. Ended up losing that profit and was negative in this choppy mess. And it was so just frustrating because it was like jab higher. Okay, awesome. Nope. Fractal, pull back. Okay, now we're going to go lower. Nope. Go up again. Oh, now down even lower. Maybe we'll keep going lower. Nope. And then just like this mess right here, super chop, super tiny ranges. And thankfully, there was one single candle that saved me. I was even trying like to go maybe long on this, but nope, fractal again, reverse. This one red candle right here, that was the only thing that ended up working out for me. Thankfully, I was able to get even more profit than I did get on this first one. So yes, I probably should have stopped right there, but it did end up working out pretty much just purely by luck today that there was like this decent range on a 2-minute candle. I was able to get it. And at that point, I really did call it quits. And thank goodness, because yuck, what an absolute disaster. So, as I've been saying a lot recently, just be very careful. As we are playing around these all-time highs, it can get really jabby and really punchy. So, my best way to do that is to set closer in targets, not think that it's going to go for the whole range and trend all day and just be amazing. It's probably not going to do that. So take your money when you can, take it off the table, stay as safe as you can, and hopefully we'll be able to get some decent movement in the coming days. I did want to let you know that Vicki Kelly's course is starting soon. Her July cohort is on sale through tomorrow night. If you purchase it after that, of course, you still can, but it will be the full price. So you can get more than 50% off right now. And it is immediate access to the on-demand course. You also get twice a week live trading rooms. The first one is going to be on Wednesday. So make sure you jump in on this so you can watch the course prior to coming to the live room so you actually know what is going on. And then, of course, Vicki will be able to answer any questions that you have. For all of you that are working on trader funding, she has used this exact method. And here's what I love about this. It really truly is a method. Like it's very clear. It not only creates profit, but it also saves you from way bigger losses that you might have had without a system like this. So Vicki has gotten funded with this. She's gotten payouts with this. She can show you what worked for her and you can try it out for yourself. So I will link you over to this page or there's a link down below. I can't recommend it more highly. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.